This is a nice combination that I really like. It's got the Loosestrife here, and this is Sweet William. It's had nice flowers in there up against the Loosestrife. That's a very nice combination there. And I think a lot of times it's the combinations that really make your flowers look the best, or your garden look the best. This is a Hardy Geranium, sometimes called Cranesbill. And it makes a very nice combination with the Loosestrife and the Sweet William. All three of them together are growing in this little area here, and it makes a really nice combination, I think. There's the Loosestrife and the Sweet William together. I think it'd look really nice if I put some more flowers there up closer to the house behind all this. This is just the Sweet William and the Loosestrife together. They're both perennials. When the Loosestrife quits blooming, it starts looking kind of raggedy, and so I usually just cut it down to the ground, and it doesn't seem to bother it at all. That's a lemon lily growing there in the middle, but it's not blooming now. And there's the Sweet William when it's almost done blooming. I started that from seed a few years ago. It's a nice perennial. I like to get some more of them. I think the Sweet William and the Loosestrife is one of my favorite combinations, though. I've got that Hardy Geraniums growing several places around the flower bed, because I just bought several new ones last year. So they should be growing up pretty good this year. And there's all three of them, you can see. That's a Hardy lily, Oriental lily. It's a smaller dwarf version of it. There, you can see that Loosestrife there off in the distance. It makes a nice statement in the flower bed like that. There's some Hardy Geraniums over here in this flower bed, but too bad there's no Sweet Williams there.